So hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get neon armor, cat armor or bear armor for free guys. Yes guys. So let's get to the bug, but before we do it, please like this video, subscribe my channel and comment down below that if you want this Pkxd neon armor. So that would very help me, and if you can share it with your friends, please do it. It would help me a lot. And in this year I'm going to try a challenge for you guys to do 5,000 subscribers. Yes guys, so before we do it, subscribe, like, comment and share. So now let's get to the bug. Okay. Okay, now you should get to your house and open your pet, open your phone, tap on your pet and turn it like this. Oh no, tap on your phone and then click on your pet hug button. Did it work? Did it work? Oh no, it did not this time. I will make you do it. Okay, it's done guys. Now as you can see, wait. As you can see, this will happen. And now close it. Now my phone is still open, but it is not in my hand. Then when your phone is still open, just tap on the house button and hold it, and then tap on the social media. Boom. Oh, the house one didn't open. Let's try the reverse one. Oh well, it did now. Now it should show you like this. Then click on the photo close button like this, not on the house button. Now as you can see, you are like this. Then go into your house. Okay, now when you are in your house, go out of your house and then go to the arcade. And yes guys, the armor is for only for 2 gems. 2 gems only. So let's get to the crazy run. Like this, you should go to the crazy run. Go to the crazy run and play a game. The crazy run is not that popular now. The freezing fun game is new, so this has a part of freezing fun game. So now as you can see, I'm in the crazy run and the menu is still open. So when the game starts, you will have to open your phone and go to the plaza. Okay, now close the house menu option. Okay, now you have your phone right there, right? And you can see the Pkxd universe right behind you. So go to the plaza, so you can go at it and then go to this house. I mean the arcade. Then since we have a lot of time, the freezing fun. Yes guys, go into the freezing fun because there you can rent armor. See? This person has just rented an armor. See? Guys, the freezing fun from the Christmas is now here for everybody to play anytime. So please, after this video, go to Pkxd and then open freezing fun. It's a very great game and it's very funny. I mean, it's very fun, so you should play it. Now, just got to wait until until the time does not end. Which armor you like? Here is the bear armor, the neon armor, and the cat armor. Gamer kitty cat. Hello, gamer kitty cat. So my favorite is the neon armor, but since I already got the neon armor in the first, I'm going to try the cat armor. Yay! Okay, so now we wait until the time runs out, until we can watch things from here. I like the new robot which is called Frosty. Okay, so we go to this cat. I mean, you can go anywhere, any armor in the armor rental. And when the time runs out, you will get teleported back to the crazy run. See? Then you will teleported back to the crazy run. So let's wait. Okay, now see, time's up. You will be teleported back in 3, 2, 1, go. Neon armor, cat armor, let's go. See guys, you've got the cat armor, double jump. And how cool is that? And you only had to spend literally 2 gems. Let's try something out. Okay, go. Boom. Oh, and the trail. The trail is the best thing I know. I wanted to try something very fun. Okay, so first I will buy a potion. This potion? Hey, potion, I want to buy you. Okay, thank you. Now I drink the potion and then boom, we go. So despacito. Just 2 jumps, I'm at the pet shop. Stop. Wait, I'm high. Ooh, we go. So despacito. Yeah. This is so cool. See guys, I have the cat armor in just for 2 gems, and I can play with any time I want. And you can reach very heights with this. See? Yeah, I have this potion effect on me, so my jumps are higher. So I will try to get to the sun. No. There is no way you can get to the sun. So let me do. Tick a bomb bomb. Okay, guys, if you like this video, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and comment. और guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. Until then, बाय. और सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, कमेंट करना मत भूलना, मुझे हेल्प होगी. बाय.